Okay, only 230 days, 14 hours, and 17 minutes till the next show.
Why are you even cleaning this? You don't drive it.
But I gotta keep it looking good, duh.
For what?
Shows, duh.
Pulling out the coupe at the
Oh God, no! No, God, please! No! No!
Lame. Boring. Jesus Christ! Dude's got kings and then 14 wides? Oh, Jesus, did my grandpa get wheels? Ah, now this is a real truck right here. Woohoo!
My jams. Oh, the power of the Chevy. Good job. About to go cruise around. We're gonna do this. Too bad there's no girls around here. I'll be like, what's going on? I like you, eh? Chevy power. Haha. Ooh, good steering, a Chevy. Wonder where my homies are. Oh, that lower life. I can get out and plant my feet on this earth, you know? What is this? What is up with all these big lifted guys, huh? You gotta do the Lord Chevy life so you can sit down and then you can even just be like this sometimes and hide, you know? Sometimes you gotta get out and turn the music up, you know? You gotta dance like this, dance like this, oh yeah. Dance, dance, dance. Let's also not forget about the because look at this. It is wide when I come over here and then come back over this way because my truck is doing a good job. I come over here and do this. I can't even hit it because it's too high. Why are we gonna do that, my homies? The best part about a lower truck is you can pose like this, or like this. You do that over there, you're gonna fall under the truck. You gotta go lowered, my homies. Pose like a 2-truck lowered guy, hey.
No, guys, you gotta bring that and put it over there. You can't be doing that. I mean, okay, go ahead and take this and put it over there. You guys wanna bring this over here? Guys, you're doing this all wrong. I've done this for 30 years. Do you need me to get in there and do it? Come on.
Who even puts a topper on their truck? Lame. What are these? Spiked lug nuts? Gross. Directional wheels are lame. Bet he got them at customoffsets.com though. Is that all these guys have is black trucks and black and milled wheels? That's way too much poke. You can't drive that. Is that all these guys drive is GM products? They should get a real vehicle.